Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. For that you will need the buttons for. So we will need the side button and as well the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short together and then you will have a screenshot. After you can see the preview, and if you tap here on the preview you have also the chance to edit the screenshot, like cropping here a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. And what you can do as well is, if you want to draw something inside, tap here on the pen icon. They can choose from many pens here, choosing as well the colors and as well the opacity, and then after you can draw something here inside or highlight something as you want. If you're ready with it, you can share it directly here with the arrow, or if you want to finish directly, tap here on the checkbox and choose then if you want to have it as a part of your photos or at the files. I'm not a fan of the photos. And where are your screenshots after? In my case, it is here at the photos. Here it is. And if you want, you can have it also here at the collections. It's a better overview here at the pinned ones. You will have an own folder only for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.